Article 210.21b of the National Electrical Code, NEC, addresses the number of duplex receptacles allowed on a 20 amp circuit. Up to 13 standard duplex receptacles can typically be placed on a 20 amp circuit in an office building, with several key assumptions. Firstly, the circuit must be protected by a 20 amp circuit breaker or fuse. Secondly, the wiring used must be at least 12 AWG, American wire gauge, copper. Thirdly, the receptacle should be standard duplex receptacles, meaning 2 outlets, without additional features such as USB charging ports. These calculations are based on the NEC guidelines and represent a general rule of thumb for standard installations in office environments. It is important to understand the basis of this calculation and why these assumptions are critical. The NEC provides guidelines to ensure electrical safety and prevent overloading circuits, which can lead to overheating, fires, and other hazards. Each standard duplex receptacle is generally considered to have a load of 180 volt amps according to the NEC. This figure is used to determine the maximum number of receptacles that can be safely installed on a circuit. A 20 amp circuit at 120 volts has a total capacity of 2400 volt amps. This is derived from multiplying the amperage, 20 amps, by the voltage, 120 volts. To determine the number of receptacles, divide the total capacity of the circuit, 2400 volt amps, by the volt amp load per receptacle, 180 volt amps. The result is approximately 13.33. Since you cannot install a fraction of a receptacle, this number is rounded down to 13. This calculation is based on a continuous load. It is important to note that this calculation assumes that there are no other loads on the circuit. If there are other devices, such as lighting fixtures, appliances, or other equipment connected to the same circuit, the number of receptacles must be reduced accordingly. The total load on the circuit must not exceed 80% of the circuit rating per NEC regulations when the load is continuous. A continuous load is defined as a load that operates for 3 hours or more at a time. For a 20 amp circuit, the maximum continuous load is 16 amps, which is 80% of 20 amps. If other loads are present, their volt amp values must be subtracted from the total available volt amps, 2400 volt amps, before determining the number of receptacles. Always account for these additional loads to ensure the circuit remains within safe operating limits. The type of wire used is crucial for the safe operation of the circuit. Using wire that is too small for the circuit can lead to overheating and potentially cause a fire. The NEC specifies the appropriate wire gauge for different circuit amperages. For a 20 amp circuit, 12 AWG copper wire is the minimum acceptable size. However, larger wire gauges, such as 10 AWG, may be used for added safety or to reduce voltage drop over long distances. Voltage drop occurs when the voltage at the end of a circuit is lower than the voltage at the source. Excessive voltage drop can cause equipment to malfunction or operate inefficiently. Using a larger wire gauge can help minimize voltage drop, especially in long circuits. The type of receptacle also matters. Standard duplex receptacles are rated for 15 amps each. However, using 20 amp receptacles on a 20 amp circuit provides a higher level of safety and is generally recommended. These receptacles have a different configuration than 15 amp receptacles, preventing users from plugging in devices that draw more than 15 amps into a 15 amp receptacle on a 20 amp circuit. Additionally, receptacles with USB charging ports or other features may draw additional power, reducing the number of standard receptacles that can be installed on the circuit. Always consider the power consumption of these devices when calculating the load on the circuit. It is also important to consider the specific requirements of your local electrical codes and regulations. Local codes may have additional requirements or restrictions that must be followed. Always consult with a qualified electrician to ensure that your electrical system is designed and installed in accordance with all applicable codes and regulations. Furthermore, it is essential to regularly inspect your electrical system for any signs of damage or wear. Check receptacles for loose connections, cracks, or other damage. Inspect wiring for frayed insulation or exposed conductors. If you notice any problems, have them repaired immediately by a qualified electrician. Proper maintenance of your electrical system can help prevent electrical hazards and ensure the safety of your building occupants. In summary, installing up to 13 standard duplex receptacles on a 20-amp circuit in an office building is generally acceptable, provided that the circuit is protected by a 20-amp breaker, 12 AWG copper wire is used, and there are no other loads on the circuit. Always account for additional loads, use the appropriate wire gauge, and consult with a qualified electrician to ensure compliance with all applicable codes and regulations. Remember to prioritize safety and perform regular maintenance to keep your electrical system in good working condition. This guidance is based on the NEC and is intended for informational purposes only. It is not a substitute for professional electrical advice. Always consult with a qualified electrician for specific recommendations and guidance related to your particular situation.